Skandamata. Skandamata is the fifth form of goddess Durga and is worshipped on the fifth day of Navaratri. Goddess Skandamata mounts on the ferocious lion. She carries baby Murugan in her lap. Lord Murugan is also known as Kartikeya and brother of Lord Ganesha. Goddess Skandamata is depicted with 4 hands. She carries lotus flowers in her upper 2 hands. She holds baby Murugan in one of her hands and keeps the other right hand in Abhaya Mudra. She sits on lotus flower, and because of that, Skandamata is also known as Goddess Padmasana.
सिंहासनगता नित्यम् पद्माश्रितकरद्वया शुभदास्तु सदा देवी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी सिंहासनगता नित्यं पद्माश्रितकरद्वया शुभदास्तु सदा देवी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी